Bonjour, my name is Laura Merchant and I'm from the Oreilles Ojibwe College Sustainable Agriculture Research Station. LCO Ojibwe College Extension is introducing a new video series from the LCO Sustainable Agriculture Research Station. We're going to be teaching you all about different agriculture practices, Ojibwe culture, regenerative agriculture, raising livestock, and we'll cover many more exciting topics as well. For this video series, we'll be releasing our videos once a month on a Tuesday, and if you would like to stay up to date when our videos are released, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here at LCO Extension, our mission is to build better communities through research, community involvement, and education, and we do that in a lot of different ways. We offer many of our programs online through Zoom, as well as through in-person workshops. We also welcome you to send any ideas to us at the email in the description. We'd love to hear from you about things that you would like to see or things you would like to learn about. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you stick around and stay tuned for more of our videos from the farm. Gigawapamin!